The right clasp for your jewelry designs helps sell your jewelry. There are a lot of people that struggle with toggle and lobster clasps, and so they resort to magnetic clasps. A basic magnetic clasp, though, isn't as secure as a fold-over magnetic clasp. These fold-over magnetic clasps are easy to use like a regular magnetic clasp, but also very secure. This particular one has 2 holes at each end for stringing. I use these in all of my beading tutorials here on social media. If you'd like to purchase, the link is in my bio, and follow along to learn more about fold-over magnetic clasps.